Pork belly 800 to 1 kilogram. Boil 10 minutes. Add about 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add these spices. Bay leaf is optional. Lay spring onions at the bottom of pot. Throw in the rest of the spices. Spread them evenly. Cut the pork into 2-inch cube. Place the pork like so, skin downwards. Add water. Do not submerge the pork fully. Leave it about 1 centimeter above. Add light soy sauce, about 5 to 6 tablespoons. Add dark soy sauce supreme, 3 or 4 tablespoons. Rock sugar, about 2 tablespoons. Cooking wine, 3 tablespoons. You can add some eggs, optional. Spread evenly. Cut tofu into thin slices. Again, this is optional. You can add tteokbokki too. Gently place them into the pot. By now, it should be around 15 minutes of cooking. Simmer for about half an hour more. Add salt to taste about 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy your meal. Have a great day. Please do subscribe to my channel.